Pauline Quirke, Linda Robson and Lesley Joseph nearly sacked from Birds of a Feather for being too old. Linda Robson has revealed Birds of a Feather was almost remade without her, Pauline Quirke or Lesley Joseph, as producers wanted younger models. The Loose Women panelist confessed she was almost pushed out of a job when the hit show about Sharon, Tracy and Dorian returned to screens. Speaking on Loose Women, she said, "When Birds of a Feather came back, we'd been off stage for 15 years and done a stage tour, and the producers actually got in touch with Lesley Joseph and said they were going to recast Sharon and Tracy because we're too old to play the part now. They wanted younger actresses in." However, she went on to add it wasn't just her and Pauline that were in danger of getting the sack. She continued, "But then they also went to us and said they were going to get a new Dorian in. They were playing games with us. Obviously we're all friends and we all speak, so we said there's no way we're doing it without the original three and the original writers back. What a liberty, because we're too old for the part." Loose Women continues on ITV1 weekdays at 12:30 p.m. BPM.
Yeah.